You ever wonder if you can fix your bike with no idea what you're doing? Me too. Today we're doing tubeless tires. Hopefully it goes well. Maybe you'll learn from my mistakes. I'm gonna go watch a YouTube video on how to do this and we'll see how it goes. Let's get it. Let's go over the things we'll need. Adjustable wrench, pair of needle nose pliers, this valve stem removal tool that my brother gave me that I'm not even sure if I'll need. Blue Magic's finest tubeless sealant. I have 4 ounces, that should be enough to do 1 tire. A little bit of lube, that's for later. Just kidding, this is a family friendly channel. It's bike chain lube, I'm gonna do that later. Being family friendly, we got some plastic, gotta cover the floor. Don't wanna get the house dirty. How family friendly is that? Some safety glasses. Just kidding, who cares about safety? Most important thing you'll need, bike pump. Bike pump. Tire's flat, you gotta blow it up. Let's get into this. Step 1, we're gonna lay out our plastic. Voila, step 1 complete. Step 2, kinda need a bike, so let's go get that. Voila, we got a bike. Let's rearrange this slightly. We got a bike. Step number 3, we need to check to see if the tire is still seated. To do that, we're simply gonna fill it with air and see if it fills up. Remember, bike tires can explode. Safety first. Usually doing a few good strong pumps in the beginning helps in case your tire is not seated well. Should pop it back onto the rim. Unfortunately, my tire is not seated. Giving it another attempt, we can try to pull the tire back over tight to the rim. Give a few hard pumps. That's a problem. See if we can fix that. To fix this issue, you can either grab our needle nose pliers or our adjustable wrench. We're gonna find the upper section of this valve, find the flat spots on the threads. We're gonna loosen the upper half of this valve and unscrew it. Now that should allow us for a little more airflow into the tire. Alright, I lied. Learn from my mistakes. Don't do that. We're gonna put the valve stem back in. The upper half of the valve stem, whatever the technical name is for that. Somebody drop it in the comments for us. While you're at it, hit that like and subscribe button so you guys catch more of my videos. Get a different pump. Let's see if there's more powerful. Okay, this pump's way less powerful. Struggle is real, folks. Struggle is real. Want to get a good workout? Try to reseat your tire with a full pump. This is dumb. I'm gonna do my best to work the tire back over to the rim, see if I can pop it back on. Are you allowed to do it now? Here comes the hero to save the day.
I'm not going on YouTube.
Very good hard pump. Go, go, go. Really good one. Nice. Little teamwork and we got the tire reseated. Got a nice solid little pop. Sometimes All I need is a little help from a friend. We are gonna deflate this tire just so we can pump it back up again later. But we gotta get the sealant in there somehow. I'm gonna choose to slowly deflate the air in the hopes that the rim will stay seated to the tire. The tire will stay seated to the rim. So I've let out a reasonable amount of air. I'm gonna grab a hold of my pliers. I'm gonna re-remove that valve stem we were talking about earlier. You're ready for a little rush of air. Okay, not much of a rush of air. I'm gonna place the valve stem aside for safekeeping, and I'm gonna open up my first bottle of sealant. Pull off the little safety cap on the inside so no children can drink it. We probably shouldn't drink it either. I'm gonna spin this back around. We're gonna insert that in the nozzle. Well, that's a trick. Hole's not open. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go pull a hole in the top of this thing. Of course, I did that not over the plastic. So we got rags. Okay, one more time. We're gonna rotate this stem down. We're gonna give her the full 2 ounces. This could take a while. Oh, we're gonna try that again. I'm gonna cut off the whole tip of the bottle this time. Attempt number 2 on this. Said you might learn from my mistakes. Oh, I don't know. I cut the hole a little big. Chug, 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 chug. Oh, you're draining. You're leaking. Dripping. No, don't call me right now. Who could be calling me right now? Horrible time to get a phone call. In the video I watched on how to do this, they had a little baster. I can see why now. That was a little challenging. A little messy. We're gonna give her everything we got. It's like feeding a baby. All right, now that we've given her the full 4 ounces, we're gonna clean her back up. She got a little messy. You gotta take care of your girl. Cut to that love montage. Back for the video. We got it all cleaned up. We're gonna grab our top half of our stem. We're gonna screw it in till it's finger tight. And give it a 1/4 turn. Now that we've got the tire full of sealant, we've reinserted the top half of the valve stem. It's time to give the tire a good spin and make sure that sealant goes sloshing around the whole inside of that tire. Now that we gave the tire a good spin, got all the sealant flowing around on the inside, we're gonna pump it back up. Hopefully she stays sealed and we're good to go for the rest of the season. She's taking air. It's a good sign. All right, with the tire pumped up, we'll give her a few more spins. Gonna get that sealant mixed around in there. Let her rip. Listen to the sweet sound of that bike tire fly. Gotta wipe my eye. I'm a rapper now. Round and round she goes. When she stops, we never know. As it's coming to a stop. We're gonna call that a successfully sealed tire. Bam. Tune in for more Ambitious Fins
Don't
Bike
take
Hacks.
any tips from him.
He's probably right, but hopefully you learned some things not to do. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out from John Carbonell. Peace out from Adventure Space. Be kind. The world needs more of it. I'll see you guys next time. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button if you guys got something from this video. Peace out.